Hi guys, I'm hoping this is working. It was just giving me some trouble. Let me see if I can put the flash on here, because my room is super dark. I just had a bulb go out. There we go. Alrighty, so I'm about to cut chocolate covered strawberry, which I made yesterday. Let me pull up the video here so I can communicate. There we go. Alrighty. So you'll see these are the little sample soaps, and this is, I apologize, that's a ton of noise. My neighbors are apparently doing construction, and they are really, really close to my window, but I said 9 o'clock, and I didn't want to go back on that. So here are the sample soaps, and these are just pretty much the leftover soap. I put them in a mold, and nothing too crazy with the swirls or anything. I just kind of layer it in there, and these will get sent out as samples. So the soap, the main soap, takes about 6 weeks to cure. These little guys take about 3 or 4 weeks. So you might actually, if you order anything, an order that's greater than $25, and you get your little goodie bag with that, it might wind up having one of these before you can even buy the soap. So this is my big old loaf. Look at this. Okay, so the ends never have the full swirl to them, which is why I always cut the ends off and use those either as samples or testers. However, even just the ends give me so much excitement about the middle. I think this turned out really, really, really well. Alright, here we go. Let's chop the ends off first. Gosh, that is a really obnoxious noise. I'm sorry, guys. Hopefully that doesn't come too much up through the camera. Let's see. Just trying to line this up here. Ooh, look at those poppy seeds. Making perfect little seeds in the soap. Now you will see that there's going to be some, I don't know if you can really pick it up on the camera here. You'll see that there's actually some streaks through the soap, some lines, and that's because when I cut through those poppy seeds, some of them will drag a little bit. Unfortunately, there's only so much you can do about that. Gives it some character, right? Poppy seeds add texture. Cutting through the poppy seeds adds texture. Alright, I'm going to do both of the end pieces first. Just kind of get those out of the way here. Because they're really, when you save the ends for last, it's really hard to cut them because there's nothing much to hold on to do it. Ooh. Starting to see the mic align a little bit on that one. Get these up here. Alright, here we go. Here's the real bars. This smells so good. It smells so good. I've walked into this room. Actually, this is the room I use for my soap studio is also my office. So I'm in this room all day long. I must have walked in here a dozen times and just went, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Actually, also eating really well today because I haven't felt like I needed snacks because I have my soap instead. I am really happy with this. Look at that. Look at that. So we got the chocolate, we got the strawberry, got the little strawberry leaves on top, little stem. Whew. This is exciting. Here's the next one. Ooh! The leaves dip just a little more on this one. That's what I was really wanting the leaves to dip in a bit. You can kind of see that ombre. It's kind of hard to catch it in the light here, but how it goes from light to a darker red. Here we go. And these will be available for sale in about 6 weeks. So I'm not looking at my calendar right here, but that should be close to the end of September. And that is the time it takes for them to become nice hard bars of soap. Oh, you can really see the mica lines in that. Look at that. Looks like strawberry juice coming through the chocolate. Ooh. Okay, now I am getting hungry. I've done really good all day smelling this instead of snacking, but I'm definitely getting hungry now. Oh, hello, Becky. Hello, Kayla. I am glad it looks more like strawberry than watermelon. Watermelon soap happens to be a really, really popular design, and I haven't made one just because I haven't really thought of an original way to do it, and I don't want it to be just like everybody else's. Not because I think I'm super original. There's nothing new under the sun, right? But I want to at least feel like I came up with it on my own. Like this one, there's probably somebody else who's done something similar, but I haven't seen it, so I feel okay with that. Whereas I've seen so many watermelon soaps, I don't feel right now that I could really have my own take on it. Ooh, clean up those edges a little bit. It's amazing what a difference that little bit can make. All right, so the question, guys, is I made 2 soaps for the contest this month. I made the strawberry soap and I made the coconut soap, which actually I'll grab that in a minute so we can have a side-by-side comparison here. Ooh, this is moving all over the place on me. I don't know why this particular soap just wants to wiggle. So I have to decide which one I'm going to enter in the contest this month. I can only enter one. I made both of them to meet the requirements because I had 2 ideas and I just couldn't decide. And now I got to figure out which one I'm actually going to enter. So if you have any thoughts on that, I am happy to take them. I need somebody else's opinion. Mine is, obviously a little biased. It's pretty hard to choose for me. Man, this is wiggly. I really, really like this. I wish you guys could smell it. We need smell-o-vision. What is that from? I don't even remember what that's from. It's probably from more than one thing. Seems like an all that thing, but I don't think that's what it is. Speaking of all that, we just had a family night tonight. My husband decided we should do a TGIF night. So I don't know how many of you guys remember TGIF, the 90s Friday night sitcom series. We had a TGIF night. We had Family Matters and Boy Meets World, and back when you were able to actually show the TV shows to children. This one, you can kind of see it. So I mentioned yesterday that the chocolatey fragrance oil will turn the soap brown, and you can kind of, I'm trying to hold it at an angle. You can kind of see it on this one. You can see that the edge is darker than the center. So that's because the way it works is as the air hits the soap, as it cures, that fragrance oil will turn it a darker brown. So the air has already been hitting the edge of the soap, but it wasn't cut yet, so it wasn't hitting the middle. That's why you have that difference. This will all be a bit darker. All the brown part will be a bit darker when it fully cures. Oh, I love those red lines. That's also why I did not put the chocolate fragrance in the top. So the bottom is chocolate covered strawberry fragrance, and then the top, the red part, is just strawberry. The green part I did not put any fragrance in because I wanted it to remain pretty liquid, and both of the fragrances make the soap get thick pretty fast. So you'll get all sorts of smells when you smell this soap. All right, here's the last cut. Here we go. Oh, love it. Okay, let me go grab the coconut so we can have a quick comparison here. I need opinions. Let's see. Alright, so I have a couple of bars of coconut here. I'm going to grab a random bar of strawberry. So what do you think? Do I answer the coconut? Do I answer the strawberry? The rules were I needed to have at least 3 layers and a drop swirl. So I think the layers are neater on this one. I think the drop swirl is neater on this one. This one is obviously more vibrant. This one's a little more dull. But you can see the patterns really well on this one. So I don't know. I can't make up my mind. If you have an opinion, give me the opinion. I want the opinion. Otherwise, this is it. So, like I said, 6 weeks actually. About 5 weeks for this one. About 6 weeks for this one. They will be ready. If you want to know when they're ready, make sure you're following me on Facebook. You can also sign up for my email newsletter on the website, so just go to bubblyducky.com. You can enter your email address in the little box at the bottom of the website. I so thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Thanks. Bye.